there are three most important stages of squinting. The first is to the left. You can see that almost everything just blended together. So all the midtones and the shadows, they blended together into some kind of just uniform shape of darks, and just few lights are still there. So this squinting is the heavy squinting. It's like 95%. If we say that open eyes are 0 and the totally closed eyes is like 100%. So this is about like 95% squinting. And I squint until I stop seeing any information. Just before that, I stop squinting. It helps me to see the lightest shape in my composition. And here, obviously, the lightest shape of the head is the forehead. So I can analyze this lightest shape to find out the light source information. So I can say now that the light is coming from above and slightly from the side. So I can make some arrangements in my value structure, keeping the light almost centered, but slightly shifted. And it makes now a lot of sense to me that I can just create a gradation of the light from the top of the head down to the chin, and the hierarchy of the values is clearer to me now. The second stage of squinting is something like half squinting. In this stage, I see more information and I can just break down the value structure to three main value groups: the shadows, the midtones, and the lightest halftones. And you can see that in this diagram in the center, this squinting, this way of looking shows me the most important big shapes of the head: eye sockets, cheekbone structure, side of the head, the nose, the muzzle of the mouth, the forehead structure. So I see more clearly the simplified structure of the head, which is very important. And the middle one, is very important because I try to match the value structure of my painting to this 50% of squinting. So my goal is to have the same clear hierarchy of the values using three main groups of values: light, midtones, and the darks.